Hi guys, I know it's been a while, but your girl is back. Let's jump right into it. So today we're gonna do one of the hardest colors to me, which is a dark blue. So in order to get dark blue hair to actually show up and not be black, you have to really lighten it. A lot of people think, oh, it's a dark color, you don't have to lighten your hair as much, but you gotta get your hair at least to like almost platinum or platinum in order for a dark blue to show up. So today I'm going to be lightening her hair in small eighth inch sections. Her hair is really dense and her hair was actually very resistant. She is virgin, but her hair just did not want to lighten. A friend of hers came in the day before and I literally lightened their hair one time and it was just like so much brighter than her hair. So I'm not sure if the body temperature has something to do with it or what. But yeah, everybody's hair light lifts differently, so you have to take all of that into account when you're lightening people's hair. The reason I'm not going to start on her scalp is because I don't want her scalp to be very bright and then the ends to be dark. So I always do the ends first and proceed to the scalp depending on the placement I'm doing and the technique. So for her today, you see me applying it just to the ends. And then after I get the whole head lightened to a level that I'm comfortable with, I will do the roots. As you can see here, I've left the roots out and her hair is starting to lighten a little bit. So, do you think we can put blue on top of this? Absolutely not. I don't care what color blue you're doing. Never put blue on this color hair. It will not turn out good. Not going to turn out bomb like this right here, bomb.com. Yes, this is Nightfall by PulpRiot. Let's get into this look. Sonic the Hedgehog blue, you know what I'm saying? Loving it. Yes, but thank you guys so much. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my work on Instagram, all right? And until next time, peace and love.